What is mechanical advantage and why does it make life so much easier? Let's find out. We use machines because they help us do work with less effort. Some machines let a small effort move a bigger load. That is the big idea. We call this mechanical advantage. It tells us how much a machine helps us do work. We calculate mechanical advantage by dividing the load by the effort. If the load is 60 newtons and we use 20 newtons of effort, the mechanical advantage is 3. The machine makes our effort 3 times stronger. Understanding mechanical advantage helps us choose and design machines that make work easier in real life. You try one. If the load is 50 newtons and the effort is 10 newtons, what is the mechanical advantage? Pause the video and work it out. The answer is 5. Great job. Now you know what mechanical advantage means. See you next time with Mr. G Explains.